In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to a Squarespace announcement bar. The announcement bar is that slim, eye-catching strip at the top of your site, perfect for promos, new product drops, or urgent updates. Making it clickable turns a simple message into a direct path for visitors to take action, whether that's shopping a sale or reading an important notice. First, head to your Squarespace site and log in so you're on the website dashboard. You'll see your main navigation on the left. From there, open Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the controls for features that affect your whole site. Inside Settings, use the search box at the top. Typing instead of hunting through menus saves time, and Squarespace's search is great at jumping you straight to what you need. Search for Announcement Bar. As you type, you should see it appear as a result. Click it to open the dedicated Announcement Bar settings panel. Now you're in the right place. Turn the Announcement Bar on using the toggle. Once enabled, you'll see fields to customize the message and add your link. Keep your message short, clear, and action-focused. Something like "free shipping today" or "enroll before Friday." The goal is to make it instantly scannable. Next, paste your link. If you're sending people to a page on your own site, you can choose that page directly. If you're linking to an external site, paste the full URL, including HTTPS. Double-check for typos. An extra space or missing character is a common reason links don't work. If you want to track clicks in analytics tools, this is also where you can use a URL with tracking parameters, as long as it's a valid link. When your message and link look good, save your changes, then preview your site. You should see the bar appear at the very top. Click it to make sure it goes exactly where you expect. Test on both desktop and mobile, since the bar condenses on smaller screens and you'll want to confirm it stays readable and tappable. If you don't see the bar, make sure it's still enabled and that you saved your changes. Refresh the page or try a private window to rule out caching. That's it. You've enabled the announcement bar, added a clear message, and made the link clickable so visitors can take action immediately. A small tweak, but a powerful way to drive attention to what matters most on your site.